Measuring for a glass cabinet. To measure for glass cabinets, start by measuring the overall width, height, and depth of the space where the cabinets will be installed. Use these measurements to determine the cabinet size that will best fit and match the design goals. Installing the glass cabinet. Remove the glass cabinet frame, doors, and shelves from the shipping packaging. Locate and mark the stud location on the substrate. Then mark the top mounting flange along the back of the cabinet frame in correspondence with the stud locations. Pre-drill pilot holes at the markings. Place and secure the cabinet frame to the substrate through the pre-drilled holes. Add additional fasteners along the rest of the mounting flange as shown. Remove any metal shavings and debris from the cabinet. Install the glass shelves into the cabinet, angling them to fit within the frame, and gently rest them on the shelf tabs, ensuring that they are fully seated. Install the doors by inserting the hinge hardware on the doors into the hinge hardware on the frame. Thank you for taking the time to watch our glass cabinet measurement and installation guide. If you have any questions or experience any difficulties during the installation process, our customer service team is available to guide you through this process and answer any questions you may have.